In this video, we talk about how to install Filmora 12 from Wondershare Filmora website, right? This video is by tutorial form. So open your Chrome browser and write down Filmora 12 download. You see the link Wondershare Filmora official website filmora.wondershare.com, easy to use video editing. So right click on it and open it in new tab, right? I already open it. You see this page. So from here you have see two options. One option is buy now and the one option is free download. So first you right click on the buy now option and open this link. You redirect to this link, right? The official Filmora website. So you have seen the four type of bundles: individual, team and business, educational and bundles. And individual monthly plan is $19.99 per month, right? And cross platform plan $69.99 per month. It is the most popular. For example, it is $69 mean $70 per year. It means that for 12 months it's only $70. It means that $6 per month your expenses, and it is expensive, so $20 per month, and it is a perpetual plan $79-80 mean per month, but it is per year, so it is the best choice. You also use as educational, so click on the educational plan to see the educational plan, edit your information and then check out your plan. Filmora perpetual plan 1 PC 49, and it is have discounted for monthly plan $19.99 student plan policy, right? So from here you also downloaded it for free, and it work with the Filmora watermark. When you purchase it, the watermark will be removed, and when you does not purchase it, so it work with watermark, right? So start download, and from here you download it or complete, and open our folder, and from here you run the Filmora exe step by step, right? So click on yes, and then click on install, and from here you choose the languages. There are many languages. You choose all languages as you wish, as you want, and then click on choose your folder where you install to your Filmora, right? From here you choose your folder and then click the install button to install your Filmora. So I have already installed my Filmora. It is my Filmora, right? So I have already installed. So it is a short video how to install Filmora 12 officially from Wondershare Filmora website step by step. So I want to see my Filmora, which I have already downloaded from Wondershare Filmora website. I have downloaded this website from other website, but it is official Wondershare Filmora software. So our software is open. It is the first interface of Filmora 12, and when you there are four type: instant creator tool, auto reframe, screen recorder, instant model, and then you click on new project to open your Filmora editing timelines. So our Filmora timeline is open, and from here you import your videos in your Filmora and your pics, right? So select a pic and click on open, and your project will be open. Click on edit to edit your project in your timeline, right? So it is a short video how to install Filmora 12 officially step by step. Thank you for watching for this video.